Oh my god. What on earth is in here? I haven't done this for a while. Have you got a condensing tumble dryer? Because if you have, you might not be aware that it needs periodically serviced. You have to clean the condenser that's in the bottom of the machine, which is where all the hot water goes, gets condensed, and then goes into the filler trap at the top here. It's quite important to do, because if you don't, the machine will not dry clothes properly. So if you have got one of these condensers and you didn't know how to do this, well, this video could be for you. So I'm going to probably get you on to the chest cam, because it'll be easier, and then I can show you what to do to clean your condenser at the bottom of your condensing dry machine. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. I will see you in a second. Right, welcome back. So this tumble dryer, it's a mine's a Blomberg, and it is a LTK 28021W model. The condenser filter is in this drawer here. Just push this button, the drawer opens up like that. Pretty straightforward. You've got obviously red tags. Push that one down, this one up, and the condenser pulls out like that. Oh my god. What on earth is in here? I haven't done this for a while. Oh well, never mind. So, as you can see, this is what happens if you don't clean it. What I'm supposed to be doing is every month I'm supposed to clean this, and I cleanly haven't. So we need to get rid of all of this gunge, give a wipe out inside there, and then I'm going to take this panel off. I believe there's a little screw here, and then that's where the main fan is. I'm going to give that a clean, make sure the fan's spinning nicely, give that a clean, put that in. There's also one more filter in here to clean, which will give that a little clean, and then put it all back together again, and it should be champion for like another month. Now the way that I clean these is with brute force. So I've got my jet wash already set up, and what I do is I use my table, get my little clamps, clamp that one there, and then clamp that one there. So that means I should be able to get down here, clean that, and all the stuff and the crap and the fluff will come down there. So this should be ready to go, to be fair. And there will be some noise, so I'll not be able to speak much. So we'll just give this a blast, shall we? Maybe better if I turn it on, like. Still some stuff in the back of here which I can't get out. Ah! So wet. Let's have a look down there. The centre. Oh no, that's clean as a whistle, man. Don't think you can see that. I'll show you. It's hard to see with the camera, but that is a lot cleaner than what I thought it was going to be. I'm going to give that one more blast, and then I'll let that dry, and we'll do the other bits and bobs to it. I'll just turn you down again so you can see what's going on. Now again. Nice. Superb. So, back in here, I'm going to get, oh damn, oh happy days, a screwdriver there. Right, so I wanted to take this little screw off here. There we go. Oh lordy, oh no, that's not so bad. I thought that was fluffy. If you look in here, there's not much dirt in here. You are sorry? Yep. So there's not much dirt in here, which is actually that's quite clean as a whistle, lad. That just wants a little wipe or something. Right, oh, there we go. Right, that's fine. So that goes back in like this, pretty straightforward. Put the screw back. If I can. Right, so I can use the same cloth. You can see inside there. I'll tell you what I'll do, because this camera is pretty cool. Just take it off. Have a little shoe inside there. Look at this. Alright. So at the back of there seems to be a lot of fluff at the back of there. Can you see that? I need to get in the back of there, I think. Wipe this out. Get at the back of that fluff and pull all that out. It seems quite clean down there. Tell you what I can do. Oh, just follow me. Let's get some light on the subject, shall we? There we can. Oh, aye. Oh, yes, that wants a good wipe down there. What's in there? That's all right. Doesn't seem too bad. Side seems fine. Yes. So we'll put you back on the old chest of life. Sit your back on, and I'll probably have to lie down for this. Either things you do for a YouTube channel. Ridiculous, isn't it? Now I'm going to get my hand into there. There's a bit of crud. Yes, look at this. Look. That's just crud off the back. Get this cloth in if I can. Oh, that's better, isn't it? That's got that crap out of the way. Look at this one. Look at that. Bah. Good job, it's just clean clothes. It's not like a washing machine when it's all minging with soap powder and that. Right. Bah. Right, it's cleaner than what it was. Right. Right. Just lift you up a bit there, see what I'm doing. There's a little hole just in here. Oh, see that dust coming out there? Little hole in here, which must be the fan. That fan blows air into here and does the condensation. How's your father? That was full of fluff. That's pretty clean there now. Sweep that up in a minute. Right, so let's get the thing that we need to put back. Check that out. Have a look down there. That is as clean as I'm going to get it for the time being. I don't think you can see, but can you see light through there? Possibly, but it was minging before, if you remember rightly. It was totally caked in there. So that's got to be better. It doesn't have to be dried because it gets wet anyway. Right. Just go straight back in like that. Put the locks in. Shut that. Get a little wipe. Right, one last thing is, there's a little filter here. Oh, look at that. What on earth? My God. Crumbs. That's not very good, is it? That's a lack of maintenance. This is exactly what causes fires in tumble dryers. So put that in the bin. Give that over. Right, there's loads of fluff down here. That's managed to escape. Look at this, man. Bah. Probably could put the hoover down there, like, but I can't be bothered. So we'll just give it a clean out as best as I can. You know what it is? I think open that up. If I take that out again. Aha! I thought. I'm pleased I did that. I'm pleased I did that. Because now I've seen where the... Got some more dust out of there. That's a good idea. See, you learn something. You know it is, you learn something every day. You see the cloth coming through there. You see it? Please, I double check that. Right, smashing. Right. I believe that goes that way. Nice. Give this a clean. Any extra fluff anywhere? Dryer's alright, is it spinning around alright? Yes, it is. What happened to the last tumble dryer is that the bearings went and the edges here got dead sharp and they were like cutting my socks in half and that. That's why I had to buy this new one. But this has been, I've had this over, 5 or 6 years now, and the Blomberg ones, so this is Blomberg, cracking bit of kit. It's really, really good. apart from this sort of maintenance, which I'm supposed to do once a month, which I clearly haven't by the evidence of the video. It's a cracking machine. I think it was only, was it 279 or 300 quid? I can't even remember now. It wasn't expensive. Right, so that's that done. Again, we've done that, we've cleaned that. That's cleaned, that's all done. Shut that. That is ready for, I will do though, I'll sweep this rubbish up just to show you how much crap came out. That didn't come out of it, of course, that's off something else. There you go, that's how much crud was in the back of that machine. That's before cleaning the condenser out, so this is definitely going to work 10 times better than what it has been. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that. That's a pretty straightforward few minutes of information, hopefully value for you guys who might have one of these, who would like to attempt to do the servicing yourself. So thanks very much, and I will see you in the closeout. Bye for now. Right, okay, welcome back. Thank you for watching this other video that I've created this week. Pretty straightforward. I knew it was a job I had to do, which I hadn't done for obviously easily 6 to 7 months. So if you did enjoy this video, as per usual, please subscribe, please like, share and smash that bell. I've been mentioning this on all of my closeout videos. Hopefully you get to this point. But my viewers, 90% of my viewers, don't actually subscribe, which is the case for most YouTube channels, but it would be nice to get a few more subscribers if you're interested in the value and the content that I am creating. So anyway, thanks very much once again. My name is Aidan from Featherston Hobbies and DIY, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.